Dang, that grass is tall. And we can never get our darn lawnmower started. I'm not a mechanic and just putting gas doesn't work. So the Amazon Easter Bunny brought me this wonderful thing right here. This is actually a 40-volt, 16-inch cordless lawnmower where it's fully electric. You can charge it, and when you have the full charge of the 40 volts, it's like doing a full tank of gas on a regular lawnmower. And the great thing about this is you don't have a cord that's trailing behind you and you chop it up as you're doing the grass. And it has equal power to being able to using a regular lawnmower where all you do is you plug it in, let it charge, and go. So let me go ahead and show you some of the stats here. Alright, so it's a 40-volt charging. Here's the battery here that we're going to be charging. It also has a safety key in the front. It has a steel blade to go ahead and chop up what you have. And the bag that comes in the back is actually 9.25 gallons of being able to collect the grass that you have. So let's go ahead and dive into it and see what we got. Alright, so right inside you have your warranty and your user manual. You also have your power on battery set, and it comes with the tools that you can use with your battery. It also has the battery and the battery charger. So that comes all individually boxed. It has the connectors for the side of the handles. It comes with the handled leaf bag that holds your 9.25 gallons of grass clippings. Comes with some bubble wrap for your children so they can have endless hours of fun. And it comes with your lawnmower. Okay? So quick and easy. If you look here, it has the place to go ahead and plug in your battery once it's fully charged. It has your safety key to make sure that it is going to go and you don't have your kids over there trying to cut off their legs and their toes. Alright. And it has the connectors. So, as you see, it has the connecting bolts here so that you can tighten it up. And if you come close, you actually see that it has an easy adjustable tire system. So basically all you do is you pull it out and you move it up however high that you want it. So it's quick and easy. You don't have to adjust each wheel. So it goes down, comes up with just the pull of the lever. And it's simple and easy to use that even your teenager could use it while you're drinking drinks and they're mowing the lawn. Hurry up and grow, son. Alright, so in the back is where you have the collection for the leaves. So you just put it on just like that, super easy. Pull it off if you don't want that. And we're going to go ahead and put it together really quick. Then all you do is you pull out your battery charger, pull out your battery, make sure you save the bubbles for your children so they can enjoy those. And then you just go ahead and slide it into your battery charger. and plug it in. Make sure that it is fully charged, and it actually has charging indicators on the block. Once it is fully charged, it will light up on this battery level here, and that means that it's ready to go. Alright, once it is fully charged, you just open this up and you go ahead and slide it right in. Make sure that it clicks when you put it inside. Close the thing and get ready to go. It easily commands this giant grass. As you see, it's really, really tall right now. So we just hit this up. The ease of operation is you hold down the button and then you pull back the lever, and it's super quiet. And that's what it does. And it commands the grass and shows it who's boss. And as you see, it is just eating up this grass.